Oh my god, bro, do you realize what's going on right now? Do you realize what's going on right now? What? What? Oh, bruh, 15 years. 15 years in the making. Can you believe that? They actually released it. Season 3 of GX, bro. Advanced Crystal fucking Beasts, baby. Peak of the peak, man. Wow. So GX ran from like 2004 till 2008, which means Season 3 was around 2007-ish. Which means, dude, 15 years in the making. I've waited for these cards for 15 years, and they're finally here. Now, apart from the actual Advanced Crystal Beasts, which are the main attraction here, and these goofy-ass Arc 5 drawn monsters, and the Yugi cards that we used against Leon, I don't actually know what's in here. So this is going to be really fucking exciting. I purposefully did not look at any spoilers. Oh, alright. What? Look at these packs. Look at these packs. Oh. Okay, this is coming. This is fucking orgasmic, dude. No joke. Alright, so 5 cards per pack. Dude. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's I can't wait. I cannot wait. The Battle of Legends packs are always my yearly. Ooh, okay, what the fuck is that, bro? Alright, we got Chaos Valkyria. Oh no! G-Golems!
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Oh man, this is the worst fucking archetype. Heroic Call. Was this in the anime? Don't remember. Battle of the Sleeping Spirits and ooh, number 100 Numeron Dragon. Oh, the Topaz Tiger. If I don't get all the Advanced Crystal Beasts, I am gonna flip out. I'm gonna burn this place to the ground. Stonehenge. All right, I'm pretty sure this is some kind of. Is this G-Golem support? What the fuck? Oh no! Oh, dude, this is bro. This is that Grandpa's card from 5Ds where Yusei dueled Bolt Tanner with his deck. Okay, I don't know why they included this. This is a manga exclusive card. I actually have that. I don't know why they're reprinting this. Okay, Dream Cicada. Yeah, this is from like those weird. Oh, wait, the OGs are in here. The OGs are in here as hollows? No way. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, there's a lot of things to go through here. Okay, that looks absolutely fucking stunning. Ruby Carbuncle as an ultra. Oh my god, I'm setting this bad boy aside. And oh, dude, Advanced Crystal Beast Amber Mammoth. Are they all secret rares? This is kind of bad. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've waited 15 years for this, baby. Oh. Okay, coolio. It's from that archetype in Arc 5. Like those star dudes, I'm pretty sure. Although I don't remember that guy from the anime. Then again, Arc 5 is not worth remembering! Oh, you're kidding! Bro, what? Are they really in here? Are the OGs in here as ultra rares? Alright. Token Collector. Interesting. Okay, some more Blackwing stuff. Tomb Terror. Okay. Tomb Support! Oh! This is unreal! This is unreal! Bro, the Jesse deck and the Dark Jesse deck are gonna be popping, baby! What do we got here? Clockwork Knight? Okay, cool. That's another anime card. I always appreciate when anime cards are being printed. Even ones I don't really care about. Because then that basically means there's less anime exclusive cards to print. And since they're not making real Yugioh series anymore, eventually they're probably gonna get through all of them. Oh, Bora the Spear's in here? Yo, they got some really nice reprints. Sick. Okay, we got some Morphtronic cards. Oh my god, how many? Bruh. What the fuck is this? Evil Twin Leela? Alright, we got some La Lisa. For the two K-pop fans in there. in the audience. Alrighty. Okay.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
This is nuts. This set is fucking nutty. Okay, we got some performance pals. Rainbow Bridge! Whoa! Okay, alright. Oh! What? This is unreal! Dude, these are the highest rare printings of the Crystal Beasts ever. The highest rares before. Oh my god! No way! Oh! Hold on. Let's do a little comparison. Oh! That is fucking orgasmic right there. Yeah, these are. Oh my god, bro. Oh, this is money well spent. But yeah, like I was saying, these are the highest rare printings of the Crystal Beasts back in the day. That, oh my god, I keep cutting myself off, but there's too many insane cards in here. Dimension Dice, we got Duke Devlin. What, bro? Ninjutsu Art of Mosquito. Is this? Yeah, this is one of those like 3 Zexo dudes that popped up for like a couple episodes. Oh, nice, Crystal Skull. This was basically, again, this was that old geezer's archetype from 5Ds, which low-key went to later inspire the Chronomaly archetype, so that's pretty cool. That's nice, man. Okay, we got some more star dudes, and okay, alright, yeah, we got those, again, those geezers from Zexal. But yeah, back in the day, the Raw Yellow Mega Pack was where you'd find a lot of pretty much all the Crystal Beasts in foils, and they were super rare, so they absolutely bumped up their rarities in here. That's amazing. Okay, Edgem Chain. Whoa, who is this dude? Raijin, the Breakable Star. Interesting. Toon Harpy Lady. Okay, that's nice. That was never used in the anime, but that was one of those. It was always one of those cases where, you know, if Pegasus dueled Mai in, oh nice, Far North, hell yeah. If he dueled Mai in Duelist Kingdom, that's where probably Toon Harpy Lady would look like. I know he dueled her in, he was shown to have briefly dueled her in season 4, but that was like the Orichalcos duel, which was totally off screen. Chaos Space, I have no clue what this is. Let me see those Advanced Crystal Beasts. You are not telling me we're not pulling all the Advanced Crystal Beasts. That's what I came here for. Okay, all right, DD Crow. We got some kind of competitive. Man, if I didn't appreciate Yu-Gi-Oh as a card game, I would have ripped this motherfucker apart. I hate G-Golems. This is probably my most hated archetype. Okay, all right, Sirocco, Chaos Creator, nice. I saw apparently there's like, I saw a Japanese collector rare, I think, of these two, so. Oh! What? Oh no! Oh! What the fuck? Oh, bro, this is insane! Dynatech? We got some. Oh.
I've had what they call Dino DNA. Dino DNA. Dino DNA. Dino DNA.
That's fucking nutty! Thunderball. This was never actually a Yu-Gi-Oh card. This was exclusively a monster in Dungeon Dice Monsters. I know it's probably technically envisioned as a Duke Devlin support, but it's actually a monster used by Yugi. Oh, Dice Dungeon, hell yeah! This was used in the Virtual World arc. Nice. Toon Harpy Lady, sweet. Fusion Destiny, okay. It was a bit of an expensive card at one point, wasn't it? Okay, we got that manga exclusive. Oh, nice! Advanced Dark, ultra rare. That's cool. I'm putting that to the side. Gadget box. Okay. Fuck out of here. Oh! All right, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on, Advanced Crystal Beasts. I mean, let's face it. If I don't pull them, you already know I'm buying them on eBay or something. But it would be pretty nice if I actually pulled them on myself. Oh, let's go, baby!
Hasta la vista, baby! I'll be back.
Again, let's do a quick little comparison here. Oh, that is amazing, bro. That is incredible. Okay, we have half the box, and we've only pulled 2 out of the 5 advanced crystal beasts. This is insane. Come on, give me the rest. Give me the rest. Oh, no way! Dragon nails? What? That's an OG. That's about as OG as it gets. That was used by Rex Raptor in his first duel against Joey. Okay, here we go. here comes the bullshit. We got the doodle book.
Bruh.
Yeah, we got these little, I don't know what the fuck they're called. That little kid, they used them in Arc 5. Dream Shark. Interesting. Was this ever used by Shark or Nash? I don't remember. Okay. Another Crystal Beast Cobalt Ego. So this is, in fact, a double. But it's all good. Chaos Space. Alright, how many Chaos Space are we gonna get? This better be like a $300 card or something. Alright, baby. Come on. Advanced Crystal Beasts. Where they at? Oh, okay. Alright, come on. You guys feel this intensity? Can you feel the madness in the air? Let's go. Pow! Salomon Great. Why are you reprinting garbage, man? Okay. Oh! What the fuck? Oh, hold on. Oh! 15 years. 15 years in the making, bro. Wow. Oh my god, that's insane. I actually have a secret rare. I think it's a speed duel secret rare if I remember, of the regular Pegasus, so that's gonna be a nice comparison there later on. That's incredible, dude. Oh, nice. Okay, alright, cool. Dragon Claws again. Okay, Yugioh and Crystal Heart. This is technically also a Go Onizuka card, I suppose, kind of. So it's kind of, I mean, Go is like, I really like Go in season 2 of Reigns. I fucking hated him in every other season. Oh, what the fuck? Kawaki Meru? I have not heard this name in a decade, bro. Oh, okay, come on, baby. Let's wrap up those. Oh, okay. All right, Dynatank. Are we actually gonna get the? I'm assuming the extra tank is in here, because this is like a fusion of Ultimate Tyranno. Oh! Let's fucking go! Where is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. What the fuck, dude? This is so epic. Oh my god, this is incredible. Oh, I'm speechless, man. I'm so fucking happy. Season 3 of GX is literally the fucking peak of Yu-Gi-Oh! That and Battle City from Duel Monsters is the peak of Yu-Gi-Oh! But Season 3 of GX has the best duel in all of Yu-Gi-Oh, dude. Okay, more Yugioh and stuff. Okay, alright, cool. I don't mind that. More Blackwing stuff. Good with me. But yeah, these guys were part of literally the best duel in all of Yu-Gi-Oh! Zane versus Yubel possessing Jesse in Season 3 of GX. Oh, fucking nice. Let's go. Bring that aside. Okay, we got more Blackwing stuff. Oily Cicada. That's a funny name. Oh, Royal Straight. Yes. Where's the dude? Where's the flusher?
Bruh.
Where's the geezer? Okay, I have no idea what this is, but oh my god, dude, the Yugi versus Leon duel is so much fucking fun. I wish they printed a lot more of his fairy tale monsters as well. We're still missing like a whole bunch of them. We're still missing the Big Bag Wolf. What's up with that, Konami? Yeah, I know you're watching. Fat chance. All right, Chaos. Oh, what? No way. What? Is this a real card? Is this a bootleg? Why does this exist? Okay. Oh, wait, did we already pull this? Oh, yeah, we did. I was getting excited for this for the second time. Oh, nice. Okay, more Crystal Skull stuff. Whoa, what? Toon Page Flip? That's cool as fuck. Wow. Okay. All right. Pretty good. Oh my god. Okay. I am worried. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm worried. We got 4 packs left, and we have 3 more Advanced Crystal Beasts and the Royal Straight Flusher, dude. Okay. Battle of Sleeping Spirits. That's a really great artwork. Chaos Valkyria. Curse Reflection Doll. Nice. This is another one of those Grandpa 5Ds cards. Oh, let's go, baby! Emerald Turtle. Nice, nice, sick. Okay, all right, okay. We pulled another one. We pulled another Topaz Tiger. It's cool. Okay, in order for us to pull the rest, we have to pull 1 Advanced Crystal Beast per pack here. Come on, baby. Work with me. Work with me. Work with me. Gravity Boundless. Oily Cicada. I love that name. I love that fucking name. Okay. Okay. Oh! What? Why would you do these as secrets? Are you insane? Why? Bruh. I'll be surprised if this sells for like 1 cent online. I'll be surprised if this sells for 1 measly little penny. Alrighty. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, okay. I mean, okay. That's where I'm gonna leave it. Not bad. I mean, it wasn't used in the anime, so it's kind of a bummer. But overall, Toon cards are cool, so I don't mind too much, I guess. Okay, last pack. Last pack. Pack of Destiny. Y'all already know I'm going on eBay right after this to buy the rest of the Advanced Crystal Beast. But let's see if we can actually pull something fucking phenomenal from here. Pow. 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 Oh, hell yeah! Let's go! Dynabase! Oh, that's amazing. Alright, last pack. We actually pulled the fusion material, so that's all good. And Skazow! Okay. Alright, we started off with Numeron Dragon, and we finished with Numeron Dragon. Not bad. Pretty cool. Alrighty, cool. So I gotta go on eBay real quick. So thanks for watching. Links for everything in the description. Go follow me on TikTok. I upload daily. And if you want to give me some money, so I can waste it on Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I mean, invest it in Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Yeah, go on my Patreon. And I will see ya later.